topic is finding wisdom within the defilement. So the idea which is we all are good. So you are good. Now you're watching this video. Right now, no matter who you are, no matter what kind of person you are, what kind of category, social category, geological different place of the world, or gender, race, doesn't matter. Whatever your background, whatever your past history, whatever you are, right now, right here, you are good. Your nature is good, I mean. So your nature is wonderful, pure, and it's perfect also. So this is very important that you should consider this wisdom and try to, feel good about yourself, confident, try to build confidence. It's very important. So now I told you, you are good, right? But then second important thing is, just I'm telling you you are good and you are thinking I'm good, I'm good. Only that idea not so enough. Only that idea alone not enough. So you need to know why I am good and what are the good qualities within me. So there are so many good qualities within us. We all have wisdom, love, compassion, skills, capabilities, powers, knowledge, so many things within us, all the good things within us. Some of them you already discover it, and many of them not. Probably many of them you don't know. You don't know how much capable of you are. So anyway, so now today I would like to address the Buddhist way to see our true nature, and particular this is the Vajrayana, what we call Vajrayana, the view of Vajrayana. So seeing wisdom within the defilement. So what are the defilements? Hatred, normally what we call 5 poison, 5 defilements. So hatred, desire, craving, desire, attachment or craving, hatred or anger, and ignorance, don't know, ignorance, and pride, like arrogance, and jealousy. So 5 departments. And from that, it may appear as many things: suffering, a lot of problems, depression, panic, and then it will influence your behavior, like violence and unharmony, problem with the relationship, problem with your social connection, and not only that, problem with it create problem within your body also, create problem to the environment. So it may cause many problems. But all this come from mainly like defilement. So sometimes what we call man-made problem, human-made problem. There are so many problems in the world which is created by people. So who drives the people? The defilement, this kleshas driving the person. So now, as I mentioned you about this defilement, these kleshas, it seems bad, right? So you have this, then that means you are bad, sounds like that. But actually, no. Our true nature, our fundamental nature is good, but we don't know. We only know defilement. Our mind grab these kleshas and stick with that, and don't know, we cannot go, we don't know how to go deeper level of our consciousness, the deeper level of our mind. So normally what we have example is like, if there's a lake, pristine water lake, even though lake is pristine, pure mineral water, but still you have wave, right? So the surface, there's a wave. But if you go deep down, calm, pure, pristine water. So same like that. Our mind is like water. It's nature of the real quality of our mind is like water. It's pure, pristine. It has awareness. It has genuine love and compassion, so many things. But on the surface level, there's a wave. So defilements, all these negative emotions exist only on the surface. So now, I would like to teach you one simple meditation technique, which is how to go deep into this defilement. So let's say, the first, I would like to ask you a question. That you ask this question to yourself, what do I really want? What do I really want? Just try to ask from deep of your heart, what do I really want? So normally, all this defilement comes, I want this, like first three, no? Hatred, craving or attachment, and ignorance. This, I don't like. Hatred, anger. I like, craving, desire. I don't know, ignorant. I'm the best, pride. My friend me same, but now he or she become better than me, jealous. So all this is connected with I want, I don't want. It's related with I want, I don't want, I don't know. I'm best, I'm better than him, her, or he's better than him or not. He's better than he or she will be better than me, no good. So something like that. So all this defilement is like that. So now you try to really ask a question, what do I really want? So the answer what you get is, the first, maybe answer from the surface level, desire. I want car, I want a million money, I want nice partner, beautiful girl, handsome man, or pizza, hamburger, all this the surface level. But then you can go deeper. Okay, let's see. If I get all these things, you just assume, okay, if I have all these things, then what do I really want? Again, what do I really want? So there's so many layers. If you go down, 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 then after some time, you will really connect your basic wisdom, which is always within you, but you may interpret it into the wrong way. You may misunderstood your basic wisdom. So this basic wisdom is real cause of happiness, the real cause of freedom, real cause of all the good qualities. If you really connected with your basic wisdom. So this is why many people said, if you really know who you are, then it's really good for you, right? For your work, for your job, for your life, whatever. Why? It's a little bit connecting with your basic wisdom. So likewise, this basic wisdom if you really connect with your basic wisdom, then you will be happy, you will be free, you will have really develop love and compassion and wisdom, and you will be successful also. So if you like spiritual success, if you want to practice meditation, whatever, it's good for that. And also material success, if you want to good for your job, good for relationship, good for your business, whatever, and this will be good, and also it will help for you, for others too. The basic wisdom is not related with the anger, not related with the craving, a strong attachment. It is really genuine. And if you more related with your basic wisdom, then you will be happy. So what is the basic wisdom? There's a sense of love, sense of compassion, and the wisdom meaning deep down you understand impermanence of life. That's the wisdom, the basic wisdom. So the mind up there saying permanent. But if you really go deep it down, you kind of sense impermanent. Sometimes we translate this into loneliness. Sometimes we translate into this fear, because deep down, feeling sometimes like uncertain, because you know nature of reality uncertain. The wisdom is there, but then the service mind think no good, permanent, and you're fighting yourself. So let the service mind let it go. Try to deep connect with that. And so your deeper mind also understand non-conceptual state sometime. So when you really in your life, there's some time some people there so much anger, and suddenly boom, and your mind become feels very nice. You don't feel anger, you don't feel bad and sad. Sometimes there's some gap. Or some people they are unhappy, they do like this. So when you deep breathe, your mind relax, and then you connect sometime with your basic wisdom. So there's openness. And another example, we all want to be happy. There's love. And you don't want to be suffer. There's compassion also there. So many things like that. So maybe first you just ask question, what do I really want? And then let go of the service answer, and you go deep, you can find something meaningful. But this one has, each person is a little bit different finding of each person. Maybe you can find wisdom of impermanent, wisdom of non-conceptual, wisdom of love, wisdom of compassion, and different. Maybe some, even you cannot put name on it, You know that is you, your true feeling, but you cannot put it into words. So anyway, whatever you find after asking this question and try to connect with your deep wisdom, let it be. Again, mind don't fix on that. You can appreciate, and you can rest your mind with that state, with awareness. Thank you.